Hey, my beautiful Tea Party squad. Welcome back to another video. And if you are new here to my Tea Party, hello and welcome. I hope you will enjoy me unboxing my Simply Gilded May box. So this is actually my second box that I received from Simply Gilded, and I absolutely have been enjoying it. I enjoyed my first box, so I know that the second box will not disappoint at all. So I want to unbox this so you guys can see what all comes inside. And maybe if you were like me in the beginning, I had been eyeing Simply Gilded for quite some time and just wasn't for sure if I really want to dive into getting the subscription box. But hopefully after you see my unboxing and you love all the goodies that are inside this May edition, or maybe if you want to go ahead and check out my first unboxing of the first box that I received, which was the first class. If you see that, you guys, I know you will definitely want to subscribe to the subscription box and get your hands on all these goodies. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Let's see. So we're going to go over all the pieces that come inside. And yeah, so I'm still trying to figure out what I'm actually going to be storing in these boxes. If you guys are actually using these boxes for some type of storage, let me know because I would love to get some ideas. But I really want to add this as part of my craft room decor because I just love this Hello Darling. Like, I love that. Like, I'm going to be saying that a lot. I know I am. But that is really cute. So I'm really excited. All right, so this is Hello Darling May 2020 box, and we are going to get some foil journaling cards, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kits and seals, vegan leather sticker books. We're going to get a B6 binding notebook, engraved black gel ink pen, a drawstring pouch, velvet and crystal bow charm, a vellum and acetate sheets, and we're going to get a mystery item. So that's really cute. Like that. Definitely going to keep my little description little card there. So I don't even, do y'all see? Okay. All right, let's go with the pin first. Okay. So loving this nice little, looks like a little sunflower. I don't know. Like, this is cute though. So I'm going to definitely add this to my collection. I love the way the Simply Gilded pins write. So I really am going to keep that, add that to my collection. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where I want to start. So let's start from the top and we want to work our way to the bottom, okay? So here is our, what is this? This is the drawstring pouch. Y'all. First of all, I'm loving this pouch with the florals on there. But y'all, this washi is about to be everything. Let's take a... Okay. All right, so we're going to get this medium washi tape here. Look at that. Has like little peaches on it. All right, this one, we got some bows on there with the floral. Always love those. Really cute like that. Oh, and these are days of the week stickers. These would be really good to just kind of, you know, tape across your planners if you want to redate your planners. These are some more skinny washi tapes with bows. And then we get another smaller, skinnier washi tape with some bows and florals. So those are cute. Oh my gosh. My little Simply Gilded washi tape is actually growing. My little collection is really growing. So I'm really excited about that. And then we have the pouch, which is cute to kind of throw in your purse. So we're going to actually put those back in there. All right. Ooh. All right. So next up is our velvet and crystal bow charm. Ooh, look at that. Gorgeous. Okay. This is gorgeous. It's like a soft pink or peach coral color. Really cute. Put that off to the side. All right, next up is going to be, what is this? Oh, is this our mystery item? Could be. Yes, I believe this is the mystery item because this is not on here. But it looks like it's like a little adhesive pocket, like a faux leather adhesive pocket. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh. How does it come off? Let's see. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. And it's see-through, by the way, too, at the back. So you can see that. Oh, that is so cute. So that's the mystery item. And then here we have, I'm loving these little pouches here. This is so cute. So definitely can put like pictures in here, your sticker sheets, just like some little keepsakes in here with a little pocket. And then you have a little Simply Gilded. Now I do see, oh, maybe you can put like a little keychain here too. That'd be cool. So you do have a little floor. So that's how it looks spread out. Then you have your little sheets here and your pocket. That's cute. You can actually, I wonder if you can put your charm. I think you can put the charm there too. I might end up doing that. Okay, let me stay focused. All right, so we have Sweet Peach. Look at that. So this is, I believe this is going to be our B6 binding, stitch binding. Let me get my little knife here. Let's see. We can tear this open. And I like to just open it up just to kind of see what type of paper's in the inside. If it's going to be like dot grid, lines, graphed, or just like a blank page. But I already have some ideas of what I want to do with these. So this is going to be like my second little B6 notebook, because I got one in my first box. So yeah, so Sweet Peach. Yeah, so these are dark grid. So I'm assuming maybe all the B6 is going to be dark grid, because my last one was dark grid as well. So that's really cute. And then the back has the bow design. All right, next up is going to be, I believe this is the Vellum and the Acetate sheets. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh, look at that. And then look at this one. Oh my goodness. You can actually take this, put it in the inside. How cute is that? Yes. I think I might end up doing that. Yes, I think I might end up using that. So that's that sheet. And then we have our journaling card that says sunny days ahead, which is really cute. Love that. And blank on the back. So you can definitely turn that into like a card and send it to someone. And then here we have our, what is these? These are our deluxe sticker kits and seals. So I just want to show it to you. Of course. All right, so here we have our heart icons, which is basic heart icon sticker sheet. We have our heart icons. These are date dots with foil. I don't know if you can tell. There we go. I don't know if you can really see the foil on with that. So that's really cute. And then we get some Hello Darling. We get some little boxes here. And I'm just loving this paper. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these bows. Oh my gosh. I actually received some of my first Simply Gilded foil bows at Go Wild 2019 in Las Vegas. And I absolutely love it. Like, I'm hoarding it. I don't want to use it. But now that I have more, actually these are the seals. Yes. These are the seals. You can put these on the back of like envelopes and letters to seal them off. But I really want to put these like in my spread. Then we get some of these days of the week, keep growing with some full boxes. Then we get some of these appointment stickers, icons here, celebrate plan time, really cute. Then we get some more here. Oh, this is cute. So that was it for the deluxe sticker kits and the seals, because this is the seals. I'm getting new to what these are called, but so far I am loving it. So that was all of what I've gotten in my Simply Gilded May subscription. I absolutely love this, you guys. It's just screaming like summertime. I love all the florals. I'm loving this little surprise or mystery item. That was definitely a surprise. You can actually add that to this little pouch here, or you can actually add it inside of your journaling book, your B6. You can actually add it in there to just store some things. Like, how cute would that be? But I mean, it has that little leather feel to it, so I may want to put it inside of that. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed me unboxing my Simply Gilded May subscription box. Again, if you are like me and you're just not for sure if you should get this, guys, you might as well go ahead and subscribe and get this subscription box, and not only get washi tape, but you also get some of these nice stationery items, because I absolutely love every piece of this that comes in the boxes. And then I also love the box itself. So again, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new here to this tea party, I hope that you consider subscribing to get to see more of some of the items that I have available and that I would love to share with you guys. So if you are interested and you love to see more of those, please don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.